Hey everyone, Dave here with Harley-Davidson. I've got the new 2025 Street Glide and Road Glide motorcycles here with me, and I get to show you around. To start off, the Harley-Davidson Design Studio set out to push the limit of this all-new look and push it as far as possible while still making a clear connection to the DNA of the world's most sought-after motorcycles. First introduced in the summer of 2023 on our CVO Street Glide and CVO Road Glide, the new look for these motorcycles, it's super modern, it's super athletic, and on top of that, countless hours from the development team were spent to ensure that that new look is matched with uncompromised performance, giving you more power, less weight, and state-of-the-art technology across the bikes. I think if we work tip to tail here, you've got all new cast aluminum wheels, 19 inches in the front, 18 in the rear. They've got a really cool contrasting black and chrome, black and machine finishes on either side. Both models get the all-new fairings and fairing designs. It's that stark contrast from the previous generation that gives us that kind of new signal. This is the Harley-Davidson touring of the future. And through the design of these models, we took 18 pounds out of the Street Glide, took 16 pounds out of the Road Glide, and that's weight you feel from side stand liftoff, on acceleration, and even nimbler handling for both these models. We also have all new lighting, and with the all new fairings comes that all new lighting. The Street Glide gets a very cool all LED Omega style signature lighting with integrated turn signals and running lights. The Road Glide gets a really cool W pattern for its signature lighting, and it also has that integrated turn signal, really cleaning up the front end of the motorcycle. And as we're on fairings, let's talk about aerodynamics. The aerodynamic improvements on these motorcycles really get us to the lowest head buffeting that we've ever had on our Harley-Davidson touring motorcycles here. So really impressed with what the team was able to do to make these rides super comfortable. Infotainment is kind of the next part of this. So as we move to the inner fairing here, it's a super clean, modern cockpit. There's no more dials, no more gauges. A lot of the weight came out from removing those dials and gauges and wiring. You've got a really nice 12.3-inch TFT display powered by the Skyline operating system here, controlled via touch, controlled via the hand controls. You got a high-tech intuitive system with built-in ride modes to allow you to adjust or customize the information that's provided to you from the motorcycle, but also allowing you ride modes that you can adjust as rain, road, or sport through the powertrain. The infotainment system also has Apple CarPlay activated when you are connected to a microphone. So it's an awesome feature for you there as well. Next, real quick on the Road Glide, you've got 27 degrees of adjustability in these hand controls. So really enabling you to dial in where those handlebars are going to be for you. As we move into powertrain, Milwaukee 8117, 130 pounds of torque that you can feel at every twist of the throttle. Also comes paired with a high performance intake that really increases the airflow to the engine. It give you the most out of that OE configuration in this touring motorcycle. Seats are redesigned, and then this is a cool part of the new 24s and 25s. New redesigned seats with this introduction, designed and optimized for both comfort and posture. And the posture bit really rotates the rider's hips a little bit to put you in a position where body fatigue sets in much further down the road, really allowing you to enjoy every mile in the saddle. Both these motorcycles also come with new rear suspension. So that new rear suspension gives you an extra inch of travel for you and your passenger to maximize that comfort. And then saddlebags. Saddlebags really tie in the design as you kind of walk from front to back of this motorcycle. They are all new, but still give you the same, if not slightly more storage space than previous generations. And then finally, rider safety enhancements. It's like cornering ABS, cornering traction control, drag torque slip control, and TPMS are all standard enhancements on these models. So obviously something a video can't do justice is riding these bikes. Really encourage you guys to get out to a dealer, test ride one, and then talk about all the cool accessories that these models come with.